Good morning, children. Welcome back to another session with me. I am Sonali ma'am, and I hope you all are fine and in great health. So, children, today I have come to teach you English, and our topic of today is revision of blends. Can anybody tell me what are blends? You all have learnt it. Yes, when two letters join together, they form a new sound. For example, B says B, L says L. But when you join them together, the sound is bl. Bl. Yes. Like blow. B-L-O-W. Blow. Like blink. B-L-I-N-K. Blink. So children, we are going to do a quick revision of all the blends that you have learned in your class workbook, and then we are going to do some exercises in your class workbook. So let's start.
Our first blend is BL words. Blur. Black, blink, blow, bleed, blue. CL words. Cl. Clown, close, class, climb, clock. FL words. Fl. Flag, fly, flame, flock, floor. GL words. Gl. Glass, glide, glue, globe, glove. SL words. Sl. Sleep, slide, slice, slope, slant. BR words. Br. Brick, brown, broom, brush, brain. CR words. Cr. Crab, cry, crack, cross, crane. DR words. Dr. Drop, drink, drum, drill, draw. FR words. Fr. Frog, frock, fry, frame, frill. GR words. Gr. Group, grow, grass, grapes, green. CH words. Ch. Cheese, chair, chalk, cherry, chain. SH words. Sh. Ship, shell, shirt, shoe, shark. EE words. Sheep, peep, jeep, feet, bee. LL words. Hill, smell, bell, ball, doll. OO words. Pool, book, moon, spoon, cook. OW words. Crow, bow, down, blow, crown. AI words. Stairs, rain, hair, chair, train. TH words. Teeth, three, thread, thumb, tooth. WH words. Wheel, wheat, whale, white, whip. These were our blends.
Now children, open your page of your class workbook to 82. Page number 82. We will fill in the correct letters below the given pictures. Okay. So first we will write today's date here. Today is 20.1.21. And now we will start filling the letters. So what is this picture? Yes, slide. So what is the spelling of slide? S is already given. There is a dash here. So we have to fill in here and here the missing letters. Okay. So S,
S-L-I-D-E, slide. Okay. Next we have, yes, very good, flag. So F-L-A-G, flag. Next we have drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. So you have to write R and N. Next we have, yes, it's a brick. B-R-I-C-K, brick. Next we have cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry. Then we have clock. Very good. C-L-O-C-K, clock. This is how you have to do this page. Okay. So now we will open to page number 83, next page, and we'll begin with today's date, which is 20.1.21. And here too we have to fill in the correct letters below the given pictures. So here we have a picture, and here we have some letters and some are missing to complete the word. So we have to fill in the missing letters. Okay, so what picture is this? Yes, it's a sheep. So S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Next we have, it's a dress. Yes, but this arrow is pointing to a particular part of a dress. So what is this? Yes, it's a frill. F-R-I-L-L, frill. Next we have a road sign which has a car going down the road, which is going downwards. So it is called it's a slope. Yes, slope. S-L-O-P-E, slope. Then what is this? Yes, it's a broom. Very good. B-R-O-O-M, broom. Then we have chair. C-H-A-I-R, chair. And the last picture is crane. Very good. C-R-A-N-E, crane. Okay, so you have to do it the same way that I have done. Okay, children, for your practice work, you will open your home workbook to page number 78, and you will do this page wherein you have to fill in the correct letters below the given pictures, just like we did in a class workbook, right? And the other page is page number 79. This will be your practice work which you have to do in your home workbook.
So children, I hope you all enjoyed doing some revision of blends with me today. Till we meet again tomorrow, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.